Hello, my name is Cristina Rosso Castro. I live in Facatativá. This is me. The things that I like to do is watch television, travel to the surrounding of the city, or come place that I no can, and the most important thing I like to be my doggers. They are my doggers. Then I will give a description of the last holiday in Santa Marta. I went there with my mother and daughters. We stayed for 8 days in the apartamento in Torlodero, so it was cheaper than in a hotel. The weather in Santa Marta is sunny most of the day. In the morning is cool by sea breeze, but the heat intensifies at noon. In the afternoon is the sunny with nice weather. At the night is very windy. It is recommended that people apply sunscreen before going to the beach. It's important that people drink a lot of water and stay hydrated. It is necessary for children to be accompanied by a responsible adult. If you plan to go Santa Marta and visit the aquarium, you should set access to the motorboat in advance and ask the cost of the ticket. Thank you.